Everything in this room is eatable. Even I'm eatable. But that is called cannibalism, my dear children, and is in fact frowned upon in most societies.
Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn English with Charlie and Chocolate Factory. So, let's go!
Good morning, starshine. The Earth says hello.
Starshine, someone who fills your life with hate. But there is another meaning for the American English slang meaning. A prank, a trick, sea monkey shines. Often also a funny or a liking phrase.
Everything in this room is eatable. Even I'm eatable. But that is called cannibalism.
Cannibalism. Oh my god. I don't know why, but this is my favorite word. When Johnny said that, Willy Wonka said that. Even I am eatable here, but this will be cannibalism and that's frowned upon most of the society. That's so good. This quote is my favorite. Cannibalism, it's noun form of cannibal, and it means a person who eats human flesh or, oh my god, it's so disgusting. I can't even move anymore. Well, it means that someone eats human flesh, and that's, yes, disgusting. I think there is no example with cannibalism. What do you think? Can you make a sentence in the comments for me? Because I will check all of them.
And is in fact frowned upon in most societies.
Frowned upon. To disapprove of someone or something, especially someone's behavior.
And is in fact frowned upon in most societies.
For example, even though divorce is legal, it is still frowned upon. Or everybody in her family frowns upon her attachment to him.
You really shouldn't mumble, because I can't understand a word you're saying.
Mumble. To say something too quickly or not clearly enough so that other people cannot understand you.
You really shouldn't mumble, because I can't understand a word you're saying.
Check out these examples. He bumped into someone and mumbled an apology. Or, stop mumbling.
That doesn't make sense.
For your information, little girl.
That doesn't make sense. To not understand something, especially something difficult or complicated. But if something makes sense, then when you consider the facts involved, you understand how it is so.
That doesn't make sense.
For your information, little girl.
For example, this last paragraph doesn't make any sense. Now, it's your turn. Can you make a sentence with doesn't make a sense in the comments?
Yeah, spit it out.
Spit it out. Pay attention to the pronunciation. We don't say spit it out. This is not true. We say spit it out. Spit it out. Used to tell someone to start speaking or to speak more quickly when they are willing to speak or are speaking slowly. For example, spit it out. I haven't got all day.
Come on. Let's boogie.
Let's boogie. To dance energetically, especially to rock music. For example, we're gonna be late. Let's boogie.